Mira Mesa in San Diego just got its newest Soapy Joe's car wash location. And this wash will be free, complimentary by Soapy Joe for its first opening weekend. You can also choose to become a member for unlimited washes every month.
Hello, I have a...
Your first month? Let's do the free wash.
Yeah, give it a
Free wash?
Looks like $10 per month for the first one if you want to give it a try. And here we go! Be sure to follow the sign when exiting the wash area. That was easy. Well, this location is a little bit smaller than the one in Miramar Road, so getting in and out wasn't the easiest thing. But I won't complain much for a free car wash, leaving my car so sparkling clean. Now time for the drying part. Besides the towels available for usage, you can also use the air pump to pump your tires and the vacuum to vacuum your car. Make sure to take advantage of all those amenities. For the highest tier wash, you also get an air freshener.